Load your family into the 2007 Nissan Murano. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a rear window wiper, front and rear cup holders, a trip computer, a split folding rear seat, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.